Hey guys, how's y'all? My name is Deepak, and in this video I will show you how to recover all those deleted chat histories, images, snaps from Snapchat. So before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel. So firstly we have to open Snapchat. In Snapchat, open settings. In settings, find option My Data. Click on My Data. Now here you will see login page will appear. Fill all your login details here. After you log in here, you will see new page appeared as My Data. You have to scroll down to the last. After scrolling down to the last, you will see one yellow box, Submit Request. Click on that. After submitting request, you will receive all your data as a zip file on your email registered on Snapchat. After 5 minutes, I received this email. So you can click on click here option and your data will be downloaded as a zip file on your phone in downloads and you can access that. If you don't know how to access zip file, just click on the I button at the top to watch that video how to access zip files. I have made one separate video on that topic. So these are the files I received from Snapchat as a zip. Now we will open index.html file in Chrome. Now from here you can locate everything related to your phone which Snapchat has access to, all the details, audio location details and everything. If you have any further queries related to this video, just DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is deepak.code. And if you got to know something new from this video, just hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would be back with these types of content again.